Bowman Draft Baseball Jumbo. This one's for Julian P. Thank you, Julian. Good luck on the rip here. One thing down. All right, let's do it. Rich's chair is comfy, but you kind of like sink into it. If a case is ordered, I'll rip a case. Got refractors, Ethan Wilson. Arol Vera. Del Castillo. First Bowman refractor auto, Dominic Hamill to $4.99. Yoelqui Cespedes, Jordy Barley on the refractors. Blue paper, Heston Kierstad to 150. Invicta Sal Frelick. Maddox Burns refractor and Sam Bachman. I think there was some personals ordered already. I think there's some personals coming up for Immaculate Basketball. Got JT Schwartz, Aqua first Bowman. Cameron Colley, Aqua Lava first Bowman to $1.99. Nice Colley. Pedro Leon refractor, JT Schwartz refractor. Yeah, group breaks are sold out for sure. Group breaks have been sold out since yesterday for Immaculate. Jordan Lawler. Maybe more next week, though. Raquelvin DeCastro, Speckle, not numbered. Ryan Cusick, Brainer Bonacci. Frank Mazzucato, first Bowman base auto. I like his auto. It's very simple. Not a lot, but F Maz. Nice hit. See the second pitcher taken, I think? I think it was the second pitcher taken. Very nice hit. Good box so far. See if we find a big hit on the end there. Raquelvin DeCastro, Owen Kellington. For group breaks? Yeah, there'll be more group breaks next week. Jeter Downs, Brennan Davis. Or are you talking about for personals? First Bowman, Aqua to $4.99, Reed Trimble. That was a paper card there. Brooks Gosvine, and Adrian Del Castillo. Lawler on the chrome base. Freddie Valdez. Reginald Preciado. Got a Jeter Downs green to 99. Purple first Bowman auto, Luke Murphy to 250. One of the Angels, like 20 pitchers they drafted or something like that. Jose Torres, Carter Jensen. Burns, Schwellenbach, Alec Thomas, Jordan Walker. Jose Salas on the Aqua. Michael Morales, Brendan Beck, and base. That'll do it. Thanks again, Julian. We'll get it right out to you.